Find the error. Neither John nor his friends was present. Choose the correct preposition. He is good blank mathematics. Identify the correct article. Blank sun rises in the east. Pick the correct form. She blank her work by evening. Select the right spelling. Which word is spelled correctly? Choose the correct conjunction. She ran fast blank she missed the bus. Which sentence is correct? Correct the sentence. He enjoyed to play football. Choose the right form. If I blank you, I would apologize. Select the correct spelling. Pick the correct word. She sings blank than her sister. Choose the right adjective. He is the blank player on the team. Correct the sentence. They goes to school every day. Find the error. He is one of the best player in the team. Select the proper article. I saw blank elephant in the zoo. Choose the correct form. By this time tomorrow, they blank the project. Pick the right sentence. The weather is too hot today. Correct the form, he is one of those who blank always punctual. Choose the correct preposition. They arrived blank the station early. Identify the error. The child fell off the bike. Pick the correct spelling. Which word is spelled correctly? Find the error. Each of the players are responsible. Choose the correct word. They haven't seen her blank. Select the correct form. He blank working when I called. Correct the sentence. I don't know where is the book. Pick the right spelling. Which is the correct spelling? Choose the right article. Blank moon is shining brightly. Select the correct word. He is better blank playing chess. Identify the error. They has finished their homework. Choose the correct sentence. She did not told me the truth. Choose the right spelling. Which word is spelled correctly? Correct the sentence. The book is on the table which I bought yesterday. Identify the error. The children is playing in the garden. Pick the correct sentence. She have gone to the market. Choose the right word. He is not as tall blank his brother. Correct the form. They were invited by blank. Pick the right preposition. They are walking blank the river. Select the correct form. She blank a letter to the editor. Identify the error. The dogs runs very fast. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel IQS Quiz for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video.